When I first landed on the FileRight homepage, the layout felt clean and welcoming. They immediately highlight their main purpose, helping users prepare immigration paperwork for various USCIS forms. Options like the green card renewal, citizenship application, N-400, and family-based petitions like the I-130 are front and center. The service is meant to guide you through complex immigration paperwork without needing a lawyer, but it's important to understand that they don't submit anything to USCIS on your behalf. That distinction isn't as clearly marked as it should be, and some users may assume they're getting full legal services, which isn't the case. The interface uses a question-and-answer style form that's designed to mimic the USCIS forms, but with simpler wording. It works well for those unfamiliar with legal jargon. The logic is intuitive. You answer questions, and the system generates a PDF version of your completed form ready to be printed and mailed. However, while the interface is user-friendly, some questions feel redundant, and you'll spend more time than expected on certain sections. The document preview feature is helpful, but you don't get access to your completed documents until after you've paid. Pricing is where FileRight becomes a bit controversial. They're not upfront with their full cost right away. You can go through most of the process for free, but when it's time to access the completed form, you're required to pay, and prices can range from around $95 to over $300 depending on the form. This doesn't include USCIS fees, which are separate and still your responsibility. There's also an optional attorney review that's outsourced, and that too comes at a higher cost. Support is available through chat and phone, but response times vary. In my case, chat support was slow and gave generic responses. Phone support was better, but only available during limited hours. They also offer a satisfaction guarantee, but getting a refund can be a complicated process with strict eligibility conditions. Many useful links you can find in the description. Overall, FileRight serves a specific audience, those who are intimidated by government forms but can't afford an immigration attorney. It does a decent job breaking things down, but the lack of transparency around pricing, limited legal support, and occasional technical bugs can make the experience frustrating. This is not a scam site, but it's not a perfect solution either. You must read every screen carefully and understand that FileRight is a preparation tool, not a filing service. If you're comfortable with basic instructions and can double-check your documents, it may save you time. But if your case is complicated, you might be better off at least consulting with an actual immigration lawyer. If this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe for more honest reviews and walkthroughs on services that matter.